Hi everybody, so this is going to be our daily agenda for February 18th, 2021. Reminder, no school Friday to 19. Alright, so today we are kind of moving on. Today we are writing our free write on chapter 4, so that was the chapter we read yesterday, and then we are reading chapter 5 today. Remember, you are responsible for chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 as your response pages. That's just 2 pages, ladies and gentlemen. You got this. And then we will be doing our exit ticket. So this is our free write for the day. Ponyboy tells us Dallas Winston could do anything. And when the boys are in trouble, he does just that. He even provides a loaded gun. Do you think Dally is a positive influence on Pony and Johnny Boy, or a negative influence? Think about Dally's background and personality. What makes him a good guy or a bad guy? Use reasons and examples. So we're going to head on over, read chapter 5, and then you guys are responsible for these pages. So chapter 1, those 2 questions, and chapter 2, these 2 questions. Chapter 3 has 2 questions, and then chapter 4 only has 1 question, but I really want you guys to get that plot and just list how each thing is involved. So the Blue Mustang, Bob's Rings, the fountain, what happens at the fountain, the $50, who gets $50, Dally's instructions, what are they? And J Mountain, who is that or what is that? So, pretty simple for you guys. You guys are going to be working on this. If you are not done, this is what you will be responsible for this weekend. So, just letting you guys know. What does Ponyboy mean when he says, I was supposed to be the deep one? So, that will be our exit ticket for the day. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.